Ever wondered how to make money online without any investment? How about a method that requires no inventory, billing, shipping, or customer service? Well, let me introduce you to the world of affiliate marketing, a system that lets you earn a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. Now follow these steps. Step 1. Choose your niche. Find something you're passionate about, something you can talk about for hours. It could be anything from cooking to technology, fitness to fashion. The choice is yours. Step 2. Research affiliate programs. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to find relevant affiliate programs. Look for programs that offer products or services that align with your passion and have a good reputation. Step 3. Create a website or blog. Yes, this can be done for free. There are numerous platforms that allow you to create a website or blog without any cost. Here, you will share valuable content related to your chosen niche. Step 4. Produce quality content. This is where your passion pays off. Create engaging, informative content that provides value to your audience. This could be in the form of blog posts, reviews, tutorials, or any other form of content that resonates with your audience. Step 5. Promote affiliate products. Within your content, subtly promote the affiliate products. This could be through product reviews, tutorials, or simply mentioning them when relevant. Make sure to include your affiliate link. Step 6. Earn commission. Whenever someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. The more people click and buy, the more money you make. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to making money online without any investment. To recap, choose a niche you're passionate about, find relevant affiliate programs, create a free website or blog, produce quality content, promote affiliate products within your content, and earn commission on every purchase made through your link. Remember, success in affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, consistency, and a passion for your chosen niche. But with persistence, the payoff can be substantial. No inventory, no shipping, no customer service, just you, your passion, and the potential to earn money online without investing a dime. So what are you waiting for? Dive in and start your journey in the exciting world of affiliate marketing today.